New Delhi. The Supreme Court on Tuesday was told by a Rohingya petitioner that there were no serious moves by the Indian government to send Rohingya refugees in the country back to Myanmar. Muhammad Salimullah's counsel Prashant Bhushan told the bench of Chief Justice Deepak Misra, Justice A.M. Kanwilkar, and Justice Di Chandrachud that there was no substantial change in the situation since the last hearing in the matter. Bhushan's statement came in response of a query on the situation vis-a-vis the Rohingyas since the case was last heard. He said a survey of Rohingya refugees was on, describing it as alright. The top court is hearing a number of petitions that seek to block the deportation of Rohingya refugees who have fled Myanmar since August 25 to escape persecution. The top court was initially moved by Muhammad Salimullah and another Rohingya refugee to seek its intervention to stop the center's moves to deport them. In the last hearing on October 13, the court had asked the center to strike a balance between national security, economic interests, and humanitarian considerations with regard to the Rohingyas. Chief Justice Misra said in the last hearing, we should see how we reconcile national security and economic interests and the protection of women, children, old, infirm, sick and innocent Rohingyas and how far this court can go. As a constitutional court of this country, we can't be oblivious to this, and simultaneously the executive too can't be oblivious to this. The court observations came as the center resisted its earlier observation that the government could take action involving the Rohingyas wherever necessary, but they should not be deported. The center has, right from the beginning, questioned the maintainability of petitions of the two Rohingya refugees, contending they cannot invoke the Supreme Court jurisdiction for the protection of their right to life and liberty. However, the top court on October 13 clarified that Article 21 of the Constitution that guaranteeing right to life and liberty was available not only to the Indian citizens but all those living in India. Article 21 says, no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law.